go, let's go, let's go.
How y'all doing?
Good.
What I really want y'all to take away from today, take away from this program, these guys out here that's working with you all, they're investing in you.
1, 2, 3, forward! You gotta understand something, brothers. Part of a skill is listening. Way to go, Big E! Way to go! Come on, Gavin! Way to go, Gavin! Imagine if you're on time!
One of the things that I always like to talk about is how you feel when you're on the field. How do you feel when you're on the field?
Clap it up for State Assembly.
Whatever you learn down here, take it back home. Take it back to your school. Take it back to your classroom, because it's only going to reinforce all the good habits that you're going to need to succeed, not only on this field, but in school, on your tests, when you go to high school, or when you're in high school, when you go to college, and beyond. And once you're a winner here, you'll certainly be a winner anywhere.
It's Saturday morning. Daddy comes to wake me up with a secret knock. Bippity beep bop bop. Bippity beep bop bop. You up, little man? Daddy pokes his head into my room. I'm up. I say excitedly and jump out of bed. I can hardly wait. I'm going to get my first haircut at the barber shop today. Best that you keep all your aggression on the field, and you have to be disciplined when you leave off the field.
This is a serious moment for me. All praise to the Most High.
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 Brothers, we thank the Creator of the heavens and earth for everything, the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we ate, the beautiful field that we got, the parents, the women over there who are taking care of the things that need to be taken care of while we out here working hard. We need them to be behind us to support us, and we got to support them, defend them, and protect them.